Hi there, how are we all doing today? Here we have a CCTV system for the camper van. I haven't opened it, I've just undone the box at the top to make it easier. So it's a 4-way CCTV system. I suppose you can use them in buses, wagons. I'm putting it in my camper van. And you can use it for different applications. I won't be doing it. This is just going to be an unboxing today because there's quite a lot of stuff in it really. And then I might put it up and then just do a walk round maybe. Because I think it's quite self-explanatory because everything is just connections and just connect in. A buzzer. Didn't say that in the description. So I don't know if it's a reversing buzzer or a warning, but we'll see. So we've got that pack of wires. And it looks like video cabling as well. So anyway, well, you can get these in, I think, in Amazon and AliExpress. Slightly different prices, but you have to wait, of course, a bit longer on AliExpress. So let's have a look at one of the cameras first. It's quite bigger than I quite expected. Wow, look at that. That looks fantastic. Hey, and it's got quite a bit of weight. I'm not right sure if it's. I think it's a cast metal. What it's in it in. It does look. Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic. So you can move it around, and then once you set it up, you clamp it up. That's brilliant. That is. So we have a cable here with a male connection. Oh no, is that that'll be female connection. And I think there's supposed to be 2 of these. These are like side ones. I'm impressed with that. It's a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. So it's got night vision as well. Good camera, but it looks. Yes, I'm impressed with that. Roll that out of it. Well, we'll have a look inside the box anyway. In that box, we've got a couple of screws and a sticky pad. I was just going to stick it on with some OB1 glue. So I wonder if that's the same one as that, because I said there's going to be 2 of them. So oh well, could be different this one again. So look at that. I'm quite impressed with them actually. It's all good material. It's not cheap plasticky stuff. It's very good. That's brilliant, that is actually. So that's the reversing one. So you can have it on back and it's got its own little bit of a shade. So snow don't drop on it or rain don't drip in it. So same again. I don't know if that's a night vision sensor, that little green nodule down there. It looks like when it gets dark and it operates the night vision. But again, same kind of plug and play. Nice little surprise. It's like Christmas, this is. Oh, remote control. Oh no, it's a mouse. Oh no, it's a friggin' mouse. Is it a Bluetooth mouse? It is as well. It's better than I'm even thinking it. What I bought. So you got a Bluetooth mouse. That's unbelievable. So Let me just get them out, get this big box out of the way. So we've got loads of cable. Let's have a look at cable. There's, I think, three different lengths. So there's 3 different lengths of cable. Well, 2's the same. I think the 2 side ones are the same, and then we've got a front one and a long one at back. So it goes right to back. I know that. So if you have got a long vehicle, it will reach to the back. And it's like, again, just plug and play. Let's quick have a look. So this is another different kind of camera. I think this is front one. Yeah, this is the one that goes at front. But they've done no night vision on this one. This is a front facing camera, what I saw. Anyway. So, let me put that there. You get some screws with that. So this must be another side camera. Yes, it's the bullet camera. I am impressed with these cameras actually. Like I say, that seems very good. Bit of weighty. So you can take that off and screw it to the side. I don't really want to do that to the van, to be honest. I have this OB1 and I've glued my solar panel down with it, so I'm sure it's going to hold this. So if I need to take it off, I can just use a thin blade and cut it. Anyway, so we've got, bloody hell, this is heavy. It's all heavy. This should be the, I don't know, this is the main unit or is it TV? No, it's the main unit. So this is the main unit. Tell yourself something, it's I hope they'll give me keys. So this one, you see, if you can see, you can use Wi-Fi, it's got a GPS, and it has got cellular as well. So I've got a spare SIM card. It acts as a tracking system as well for it. You've got HDMI socket, so I can put it onto my big TV here, and it does come with a screen as well. So it's just, you plug these in, you see, and it's easy. So to my knowledge, you can put a DVR drive in, SD cards. Let me see if I can find a key. See what's in this other box. I think these are antennae. So that's a GPS antenna, I know that. So we've got these little stubby like aerials, one's for Wi-Fi and one's for cellular. So I wonder if I can Wi-Fi, because I have a problem picking up Wi-Fi. So look, so we've got the remote control there, fuses, connections, and a little, I haven't got a clue. Plug it in, I'll have to have a look at instructions. Says comes with a 2-year warranty. That's terrific. Let's get key out and have a look inside here. It's a nice little smart unit, all metal. You can have an app as well for your phone or on your computer. You can track your vehicle and look through the cameras as well. If you've got your Wi-Fi or cellular. That's why I've got it, to be honest, because I haven't got no windows in here. So yes, I don't know about DVR. I should take it off. But you've definitely got some SD is what I'm going to use, and your cellular slots there. MDVR won't work. Use SD cards, not mini SD cards. Big SD cards. We'll sort that out. So that looks good. So this must be the screen then. Again with loads of, look at all this stuff. I'm going to have fun wiring all this in. So I've got connection for TV, and then it's got its own like TV system, but it's going into the main unit. It's only a little 7-inch screen on this. Look at that. Oh, it's flush mount as well if you want to put it in your into your dash. That's amazing. Got a bit of tilt in there, but then you've got connection so you can hang it. Oh, there's a mount here where you can put it on, and then like onto dash. This is still metal, but it just feels a little bit, that's plastic. That's only a little bit of thing what feels a bit tacky. But everything else, tying it up, that screws there, like that. Brilliant. And it comes with its own remote control. And just even a sticky pad. Screws, sticky pad, remote control. But I gather you'll just have your main connection going into this unit here to pick that up. I don't know if it can play any videos or anything yet, but we'll have a look. And of course it says it's a Bluetooth. Well, that's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So let's get rid of all this boxing. And a quick go through. Oops, sorry about that. So we've got the main unit here. Plug and play. You have to go on computer to set your GPS up, you know, your tracking system and everything. So it comes with one camera. These are supposed to be the side cameras. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. Says that's front camera. We've got the screen. We've got the back camera. Got all the cables here. I can't wait to get going. What a terrific little system it is. I'll put a video on when I've got it all working. Thanks for going through all that. I hope that helps you to see what you get in the box. I'm more impressed than what I just saw anyway. So as long as it works as good, I will be happy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget, tune back in to watch the bit where it's all working, and then I'll give my review how good it is. Goodbye for now.